Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our Mega Reaction Fest 6. We are going to react to the song Layla by Eric Clapton. We have reacted to Layla in the past as well by Derek and the Dominos, but this time it is going to be only Eric Clapton.
And I believe this is the unplugged or acoustic version for us to listen to. So let's listen to it. Should be really good.
A lot of people chose this on our community page of Inoma as part of the polls that are going on, and we plan to continue with the polls for you to participate and give your request through those polls. So keep checking the community section of Inoma, and for now let's get started.
And also over the last 3 years on all three of our reaction channels that we've had, Eric Clapton has been requested a lot. I mean, Eric Clapton and the bands that he's been part of. And I think he's the only artist, if I'm not wrong, in the history of music or in the history of the world who's featured 4 times in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Recently, very recently, the Yardbirds was inducted and he's been part of them too.
Yardbirds.
So I think he's the only musician, if I'm not mistaken, who's 4 times part of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
Cool.
See if you can spot this one.
You've been running, hiding much too long. You know it's just your foolish mind. Layla, got me on my knees, Layla, begging, darling, please, Layla, darling, won't you ease my worry now? Your old man let you down. Like a fool, I fell in love with you. You turned my whole world upside down. Hey, love, got me on my knees, hey, love, begging, darling, please, hey, love, she's my worried mind. Make the best of the situation before I finally go insane. Please don't say we'll never find a grave. Tell me all my love today. Hey, love, me on my knees, Layla, begging, darling, please, Layla, darling, begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worry now? Layla, got me on my knees, Layla. Begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? Thank you.
Wow, 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 wow. The way he plays the guitar, the way he sings, that piano, oh, the female
singer.
backup singer adds such a wondrous and gentle touch to it all. This is sublime. This is sublime by Sir Eric Clapton. This is magnificent. This is très magnifique. Très, everything. Exceptional. Spanish, French, everything, all the superlative adjectives, all the best things to describe music can be used here. This was beautiful. I'm in awe. I'm in total awe of the way he sang this, the way he played the guitar at the same time. This is a master at work. Master, real master. Wow. What do you have to say?
He is genius. He is genius on that guitar. He has absolute control of his instrument. The way he played it, it was something. It was spellbinding for me. More than the way everything was played and the skills and everything put aside, the effect that it has, the entire song, the way it was performed, and as you're listening to it only as a listener, forget about you're trying to focus on who's playing what and how good it is and things like that. That feeling was very high. It was natural high that it can get you to this song when you're just listening to it, just losing your letting your hair loose and enjoying this music. It was very light. It was literally you can float in the air with the music like this. It was that kind of experience. It was like vacation, like beach, like something you like. Just lay down and you like to imagine yourself somewhere in the best place or your heaven. It was that kind of experience listening to it.
Yeah, just so
Gentle.
beautiful. Just so beautiful. This song, this performance. Oh,
I want to know, Layla, what does this name mean? Because we
it's
also...
the name of a person.
It's a name of a
Yeah,
girl.
of the-
In India, we have Laila, and Laila should be someone very attractive, beautiful girl. Yeah. So I think it may be the same meaning there as well. And when a song like this, title like this, performed that way, it just makes it sound very amazing.
Yeah, for me, once again, to summarize, it's the guitar solo, the guitar work of Sir Eric Clapton that wowed me. Wowed me. It's not a word actually, is it? But that's what happens when you listen to music like that. You just get so lost in the music, you get so lost in translation, you get so lost in everything. You just can't keep track of what you want to say. And we do our reactions impromptu, every single reaction video, which means it's totally unprepared, unscripted. We may have heard this song before, but this was something
It
else.
sounded something completely
This
different.
was something else. This was totally something else. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I loved it, I loved it, I loved it a million times. That's how much I like performances like this. And that crowd that was there, wow, they had probably one of the best times of their life, the best nights of their life. Apart from the wedding night or the honeymoon night, I think that must have been the best night of their life. If you listen to 10 such performances, I'm assuming, this must have been 1 out of 8 or 10. You can just imagine. Tears in Heaven must have been there. What else must have been there? all the good songs of Eric Clapton. Wow, this was great. Phenomenal request. Keep them coming. Be part of the action on our community section. Be part of the action on our Mega Reaction Fest. Lot of questions, lot of polls, lot of updates. Be part of it all. And post your request in the comments, whether on the community sections or over here. And let us know some history of the word Layla and this song. Was it for a movie? Was it for some kind of event? What was it? What is it just there, or is it? It sounds like it's made up, but beautifully made up. But you never know. So let us know in the comments below. That's it for this one. Goodbye.